Mis maravillosos estudiantes, welcome, my marvelous students. Welcome to November 30th, the week of November 30th. Welcome back from the Thanksgiving holidays. I hope you had a restful time and you ate a lot of whatever food you guys eat at your home during this time. Remember, if you have not seen part 1, you can click right here to go back and review or watch the introduction of our story, of our book, Click, Clack, Moo, Vacas Escritoras. Go ahead and click on the portada, the book cover, so that you can go into lesson number 2. If you notice, I have the ethics icon, and when you click on it, you will see why we're looking at that icon in this book. Right underneath there, remember, I'm trying as much to put in books and songs that are in Spanish so that you can keep listening to that language. And I also have the ethics icon there because this story is interesting. This story is about two characters that cross each other's path constantly, but they never pay attention to one another. And just listen to it. You will find something interesting that maybe this might be talking to one of you, because we cross so many people every single day and we can make those connections, but also we have to be safe, right? So there's that balance between, should we be friends, should we not? Do we have any similarities? Do I get out of my comfort zone and reach out, or do I wait for them to make the first conversation? It's a simple, easy book in Spanish, but big moral story at the very end. So underneath me is a Nearpod. Remember, when you click on it, type your name, it takes you to the Nearpod platform. This time you are going to be learning about clothing for the winter. I know, Texas is a little weird, almost like our winter comes not into January, but you are going to be looking at the words abrigo, which means a jacket, bufanda, which means the scarf around your neck, guantes, gloves, and then botas, which are the boots. So please take a look at that and follow along. Remember, please don't try to do everything in one setting. Keep coming back as much as you can throughout the week. Underneath that is a song. It's about an interesting phrase, acá está. That's what we usually kind of say when you're looking for something. You just say aquí está, but sometimes it just sounds like acá está. You know, it's just a phrase that might be something that you might be using later on. Acá está. You know, where's the remote? Acá está. Right? So anyways, that's a fun song for you to simply listen to it. As always, vocabulario on this side. Also, I've added on slide number 2, months of the year, and then los sonidos iniciales, always for you to keep practicing. And then underneath that is our science. We are continuing with mixtures. So take a look at the icons, the rules icon, so that you can go and check out what's the difference between the two kinds of mixtures, and why some can be separated and why some cannot. Hey, by the way, there's another icon underneath me, the trends icon, and I want to just simply ask you the question, because trends is all about what's popular or reoccurring, something that is popular because of people, because of TV or a show or a video game. But I wonder, what is something that you wear regularly around this time of the year? Something that your parents, they put in the closet, they put in those tubs, and they put it up in the attic, and it doesn't come back out until this time around. So what is that is trending in your home? So put it in the chat box in our Google Classroom wall, and just let me know what is trending. So anyways, a lot of activities here as always. Don't try to do them all at once, but we'll see you next week. Bye bye.